Earlier, I said last year, but last week he had 5 sacks last year. Last week he had 3.
Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show, and I've got another radio from Jeff's collection. This is a Toshiba Model 10TL-429F. It's a 1961 vintage, 10 transistors, AM and FM, portable radio, nice handle, heavy. Oh my gosh, it's heavy. It is really heavy. On this side, we have connections for auxiliary input, photo input, and headphones. Oh, let me see if that's correct. I'm looking very hard here. Output, phono, headphones. I guess there's two different jacks for headphones. That's what was confusing me, which I get easily confused. Let's turn it back on here.
We get paid this way. There are limits on what percentage.
In my office, lots of interference from other devices on it. AM band.
At 1-800.
Let me tune it here.
Offices in Tampa and throughout Florida.
Powered by Academic Medicine.
Wrong way.
Leads the region in healthcare with that.
Really smooth tuning. You gotta turn the dial a lot. Whoa!
See Garrett Wilson wide open.
Plenty of volume.
A lot of times, Dan, when you get a receiver that's wide open.
This is the on-off volume. This is the tuning knob.
And a huge family regarding estate planning.
They only represent private individuals.
Good audio.
And treat every case as if it's going to trial.
And that's on AM or medium wave.
Read option key has
Lots of ball games on today.
Mary's the next receiver, play for the Packers, and to be our mother.
Okay, let's go to FM. Band select buttons are right up here. FM. We extend the antenna, which is about 18 inches. Got to be very careful pulling on this antenna. There we go. About 18 inches. Go back down the band. Music. Whoa, yes, loud music. Lots of music. More music.
It's really about the.
Oh, yeah. Lots of stations.
Partner and being married, it's truly the tremendous.
Plenty of volume. Sorry about that.
Go back over 30
system cleaners, motor or
Music. Spanish. More music.
in other places.
There's
So
USF.
Everyone got extraordinarily focused on that.
Okay. Now, let me tell you a little bit from Jeff's notes. It says it's 10 transistor. Paid $150 for this. The radio has been completely restored electronically and recalibrated. This is a super radio. This radio matches the CC Crane CCEP-Pro. And I'm going to show you something. Make sure I got it turned off. Put the antenna down very carefully. Get this out of the way. This thing is heavy. And something else that makes it even heavier. I mean, it was heavy before I did this. But when I installed the batteries, my gosh, it's heavy. Got to be very careful opening this. Lay this down. And then we'll raise this up carefully. There's 2 of the batteries. Let me put my camera down a little bit. D-cell batteries. 4 D-cell batteries. Oh my gosh. And look at this heavy speaker. Look at the magnet on that speaker. Look at all these components. Huge tuning capacitor. Huge medium wave antenna. This thing is a beast. I want to thank Jeff for loaning me these radios. This is like I think I said this, but it's a 1961 vintage. That's it. If you enjoyed the show, please give me a thumbs up and have a great day. Bye-bye.